All right, find the missing measure of the right triangle. These are all right triangles, so the Pythagorean theorem holds true. That means we can use the Pythagorean equation. Okay, and okay, so by the way, C is the hypotenuse. So right now, strategy, first identify the hypotenuse and put that in your equation first. And then 30 squared, then put the rest, it doesn't matter kind of where they go there. All right, guys, 30 squared plus 16 squared is going to be 1156, and it's going to be x squared, square root of both sides, square root of both sides, square root of 1156 is 34. So this is talking about feet, so it's 34 feet, or you can write it as 34 feet. Look, that's the same way. Anyways, so find the hypotenuse, drop that on the other side of the equal sign, so it's 9 squared, drop the rest in, doesn't really matter where they go, just drop them in. So, okay, 5 squared. So we get x squared plus 25 equals 81. Subtract 25, we get x squared equals 56. Square root both sides, and let's just approximate it for now. Pretty soon we're going to get into exact answers, but for now it's okay to approximate. So 7.48 about when you type it into a calculator. Okay, let's keep going. And this guy, so across from the right angle is the hypotenuse, so it's 20 squared. So we get 9 squared plus the other two don't really matter where they go on the other side. So we get 81 plus w squared is going to equal 20 squared, which is 400, minus 81. So we get w squared equals 319. Square root those guys, and we get w equals, or is approximately 7.86 miles. Okay, next one, across from the right angle, that's the hypotenuse. Drop that on the other side. Put the other two in any other spot on the other side. So 4 squared plus 4 squared, or 2 squared plus 2 squared is going to be 4. 4 plus 4, which is going to be 8. Square both sides, and we get R is approximately 2.83 inches. Inches is, two apostrophes there, or you could say it like this. Next one, keep working hard, guys. Okay, are these right triangles? If they're right triangle, then the Pythagorean theorem applies to them. So let's see if the Pythagorean theorem applies. It's 14 squared plus 48 squared. Is that equal to 50 squared? Is that question? So 14 squared plus 48 squared, that's going to be 2,500. Is that equal to 50 squared? I believe that is true. Yeah, 50 squared is 2,500. Yes. So it is a right triangle. Fantastic. Okay, number 27. By the way, 85 has to be on the hypotenuse side because, guys, that's the longest side. The hypotenuse, if it is a right triangle, the hypotenuse has to be the longest side. So we need to treat that as if it would be the hypotenuse, and then see if it works out. What's 50 squared plus 75 squared? That's 8,125. What's 85 squared? That's 7,225. And is that equal? That's no. So these cannot be the sides of a right triangle. Could be the sides of a triangle, but just not a right triangle. Pretty crazy, huh? Anyway, so 15 squared plus 36 squared equals 39 squared. Why are we doing this? Well, we're not doing it because they're listed in that order. We are doing it that way with 39 on its side by itself, is because 39 is the largest one of those three numbers. Anyways, that's the why. Get with the why, guys. Get to the why when you're working on things. So is that true? So on the left side, 15 squared plus 36 squared is going to be 1521. Is that equal to 35 squared? Well, bam, 1521. Look at that. So yes, it's a right triangle. We're going to go again. We're going to put 80 on the side by itself, not because it's listed third, but because it is it's the largest side. So 60 squared and 45 squared. So 45 squared plus 60 squared is going to be 5625. 80 squared is going to be 6400. Is that the same? That's a no. So these cannot be a right triangle. All right. Let's go to the next page. And of course, email me if you have any issues or questions. Peace.